The 1965 Washington Quarter stands as one of the most fascinating and pivotal transition pieces in the entire history of United States numismatics. For decades, collectors and hobbyists alike have thoroughly searched through pocket change and vintage rolls in hopes of identifying a rare mint error that completely defies the standard manufacturing guidelines of its era. This particular year marked a massive shift in production when the United States Mint officially transitioned away from 90% silver compositions to a copper-nickel clad alternative. While billions of these regular clad coins were struck for general circulation and carry basic face value, an incredibly minuscule number of exceptional mint mistakes managed to slip through the heavy machinery undetected. Numismatic experts and auction houses continuously track these historical anomalies due to their immense scarcity and the profound impact they have on the modern coin collecting community. Understanding the exact mechanical reasons behind these historic errors is precisely what separates casual pocket change hunters from highly successful numismatic researchers who know exactly what to look for. The tremendous value surrounding certain specimens of this specific issue is directly tied to a phenomenal auction house record where a verified error coin realized a staggering price of $70,800. This astounding transaction captured the attention of major dealers worldwide and proved that specific production flaws can elevate a common quarter into a generational treasure. When an elite piece commands this type of premium in a public competitive bidding environment, it highlights the intense demand among top-tier collectors who want to own a definitive piece of American monetary history. This record-breaking price was not a random anomaly, but rather a reflection of certified authenticity, exceptional physical preservation, and an incredibly low population report verified by independent grading services. For anyone studying coin values, this specific sale demonstrates how historical significance combined with a catastrophic manufacturing blunder can generate immense financial interest among serious buyers. Witnessing such a high-profile auction outcome encourages enthusiasts to carefully inspect every single feature of these vintage quarters before dismissing them as ordinary pocket change. To comprehend why a standard quarter could ever command such a premium, one must examine the specific physical properties that define the ultra-rare silver transitional error. During the chaotic transition period in late 1965, a few leftover silver blanks from the previous year were accidentally fed into the heavy coining presses operating at the minting facilities. The heavy machinery struck the 1965 design directly onto a silver planchet, creating an immediate and highly illegal composition error that should never have left the production floor. Because these silver planchets weigh exactly 6.25 grams, they are noticeably heavier than the standard copper-nickel clad variations, which weigh only 5.67 grams. This weight differentiation is the absolute primary method used by professional authenticators to instantly separate a common coin from a certified masterpiece. Discovering one of these heavy silver planchet errors requires immense patience, a highly accurate digital scale, and a sharp eye capable of analyzing the physical characteristics of vintage coins. Another highly sought-after anomaly that drives massive engagement among collectors is the famous doubled die obverse error, which causes distinct visual distortions on the main design elements. When a coin die is improperly hubbed during the manufacturing process, it receives a misaligned duplicate impression that is subsequently transferred directly onto every blank piece of metal it strikes. On this specific quarter, the doubling effect is most prominently observed within the distinct lettering of the word liberty and the traditional national motto inscribed beneath the portrait. This visual doubling creates a clear secondary image or a distinct thickness on the letters that can be easily identified under proper magnification and professional lighting conditions. Because the Mint utilized strict quality control measures to destroy defective dies, only an incredibly small number of these doubled impressions ever made it into public circulation. Collectors are constantly scanning these specific areas of the design because a clear doubling error drastically increases the overall desirability and historical importance of the coin. Beyond the major compositional and doubling errors, the overall physical condition and official mint state grade play a massive role in determining the final market value of any vintage coin. The vast majority of these quarters experienced heavy daily use in commerce, resulting in significant surface wear, deep scratches, flattenings of detail, and an absolute loss of original mint luster. A coin that managed to completely escape the wear and tear of public circulation is classified as an uncirculated specimen and is evaluated on a highly specific numerical scale. High-grade examples that showcase full original luster, immaculate surfaces, sharp strikes, and minimal contact marks are exceptionally difficult to locate after more than 6 decades. Professional grading organizations meticulously analyze the highest points of Washington's hair and the delicate feathers on the reverse eagle to determine the exact level of preservation. An immaculate strike combined with flawless surfaces can elevate even a standard clad version far above its basic face value due to sheer condition scarcity. The reverse side of this historic coin features the iconic eagle design, which contains several intricate details that must be thoroughly inspected for potential mint errors and die varieties. The majestic eagle, perched upon a bundle of arrows and surrounded by olive branches, possesses delicate feather details that are highly susceptible to striking weaknesses and die deterioration. Collectors frequently analyze the precise spacing of the letters in the traditional inscription, which reads E pluribus unum, to identify any potential misalignments or hidden doubling. Furthermore, the mint mark placement, or the complete lack thereof, provides vital historical context regarding which specific domestic facility manufactured the coin during that transitional production year. During this unique era, the mint temporarily omitted mint marks across all facilities in a strategic effort to discourage coin hoarding and maintain a steady supply for daily commerce. Analyzing these subtle reverse characteristics requires a profound understanding of mid-century minting practices and a dedicated commitment to studying the fine details of American coinage. The obverse side features the classic portrait of George Washington, which remains one of the most recognizable and enduring images in the entire history of global coinage production. This celebrated bust design requires a very close inspection because subtle variations in the depth of the strike can dramatically alter how the coin is valued by specialized collectors. The delicate areas around the eye, the ear, and the precise tying of the hair silhouette are the very first places to exhibit signs of friction and circulation wear. When evaluating a potential error or an exceptionally high-grade specimen, the crispness of these specific portrait details will directly influence the final grade assigned by professional authenticators. Even the specific placement of the date relative to the bottom rim can provide crucial clues regarding the specific die state used during production. Every microscopic line and surface feature on the obverse tells a unique story about the exact moment that specific piece of metal was struck by the heavy machinery. For digital creators and numismatic researchers alike, presenting these factual historical details with absolute accuracy is the absolute best way to build a credible and highly engaged online audience. Avoid making definitive claims about common pocket change, and instead focus entirely on instructing your viewers on the precise technical methods required to properly verify genuine mint errors. Teaching an audience how to utilize a digital scale to check weights or how to use a jeweler's loupe to inspect lettering creates genuine educational value that keeps people watching. When viewers understand the actual science and history behind coin collecting, they are far more likely to watch a video from beginning to end without skipping important chapters. Maintaining an educational, analytical, and completely transparent tone ensures that your content remains entirely compliant with all major social media distribution guidelines. By focusing on certified auction facts and verified mint specifications, You provide a high-quality viewing experience that naturally maximizes audience retention and builds long-term authority.